Hey everyone, how are you? Welcome back to Backspace. In this easy and professional tutorial, we will learn how to apply the drop shadow rectangle picture style in Microsoft Word. This stylish effect instantly makes your images look more polished, modern and visually appealing. Whether you are creating reports, presentations, assignments or professional documents, the picture style adds depth and elegance with just a few clicks. So let's get started. At first you have to open your document. Now you can see here assignment. Now I am go some down and insert a image. Go to the insert menu, click the picture option, then choose picture from our file, then select the image, go to the format menu, click the wrap text option, choose in front of text, then resize the image, then go to the format menu, click the picture effect option and choose shadow. Now I am select the shadow. Now you can see we add the rectangle shadow effect in picture and look like it very nice very easily. I hope you understand this process. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe my channel to get more than important video very soon. Thanks for watching.